Hello people of the YouTube, welcome back to my channel. When I say sellers on AliExpress sometimes play fast and loose with the numbers, let's take a look at this power bank. If this is your first time here, subscribe to the channel. Remember to activate the notification bell, and if you already subscribed to the channel, ring the notification bell as well to be the first one to get notified every time I post a new video. Support the channel by dropping a comment below. In this video, I'm gonna talk about whether or not the claims made by the seller are true. I'm also going to talk about how the power bank performs and whether or not this power bank is worth it. And of course, I'm going to give it a thumbs up or a thumbs down. So watch the video to the end. You might find out whether or not you should get one. Before we take a deep dive, let's talk about how much I gave for the power bank. As you saw on the thumbnail, I gave around $19 for the power bank. But I'm going to list the prices right here, and the prices are going to be in currencies where I get most views from my videos. Let's start with the build quality. The build quality is excellent. There's nothing to come after there. There's no complaints. There's no gap or anything like that. Everything is well built. And the ports on the power bank are located right here. The button you can see there is the power button. You have two USB-A ports, one USB-C port, and one micro USB port. The USB-C port and the micro USB work in reverse. What I'm trying to say is, those are the ports you use to charge the power bank, but you can also use the same ports to charge your devices. The two USB-A ports can only be used to charge your devices. You cannot use them to charge the power bank. The power bank claims it has fast supercharge. The power bank claims that it has a capacity, it's written right here, it has a capacity of 200 milliamp hours. So between you and me, just by the sheer size of this power bank, do you think it has a capacity of 200,000 milliamp hours? Which lead us to the claim I made in the beginning. I mean, I'm going to be fair about that statement. It's not only the sellers that play fast and loose with the numbers, but also the manufacturers. I'm going to give 50% blame on each part, because I feel like the sellers should test their products before putting them on sale, right? If the seller tests this and he claims it has a 200,000 milliamp hour capacity and they find out it doesn't, they can correct that while they're putting the product on sale. Of course, it's still going to be written on the power bank itself, but at least a buyer will see that this power bank has this capacity, which is correct, even though on the power bank itself it says otherwise. The reason why I keep making that statement, let me show you something else. You see this power bank, how huge it is, right? I love this power bank. It's a really good power bank. But when I bought this power bank, it claimed it had 60,000 milliamp hours capacity, and this tiny one claims it has 200. Not only that, that claim is not valid, because when I got the power bank, in the bottom here it says, most of it is in Chinese, but you can see here there are numbers here. One number says 60,000 milliamp hours and the other number says 4,000 milliamp hours. The thing is, when you buy electronics or anything on AliExpress, if whatever you're buying is not branded, there's no brand on it, whatever claims they're making, you can 99% be sure that that's not true. Right? You can be lucky every now and then that whatever claim they're making is true. Well, how do I know that this power bank is not 60,000 milliamp hour? It's only 30,000. First of all, by the numbers that are written in the bottom, but also because I use this power bank a lot and I've had it for a long time, and when I was testing it, which is still valid now, I can charge my Pixel 8 Pro 6 times from 0 to 100 with this power bank. The Pixel 8 Pro has a battery capacity of 5,100 milliamp hours. If we do some quick math, 6 times 5,100, you get 36,000. So the real capacity of this power bank is 36,000 milliamp hours, which is still very good when you compare to what you pay for the power bank. There's nothing there, but I don't see any reason for them to be lying about the capacity, because it's still a good buy. Now let's get back to this one. How much juice do you actually get from this power bank? Like this one, I can charge my Pixel once from 0 to 100, and then I will have 20% left in the tank, right? And given that the Pixel has a 5,100 milliamp hour battery capacity, this lands around 6,000 milliamp hour. Not 200,000, but 6,000. Which is still good. Which is still good when you look at the price and what you get. Still good. So this is definitely not 200 milliamp hour, but it's still a good battery. And what one claim that that's true, the power bank charges the phone fast. So my power bank charges my Pixel 8 Pro fast. It's even faster than this, right? This one is just normal charge, but this one charges the phone fast. It does. But this is the screen right there. You can see the screen, and the power button, you press it, it shows you how much juice you have, and you press it, it turns off. Press juice, press is off. Now that we've taken a closer look at this unbranded power bank, what's my final verdict? If we take the quality price aspect, this thing is worth it. It's well built, it charges your phone fast, and it's cheap, right? So for those three things, I'm gonna give this a thumbs up. But let me know what you think in the comment below. How would you rate it? And would you buy one of these? Let me know in the comment below. I have other videos on my channel. Go watch them. And that's about everything I had to say about this power bank. Alright guys, if you made it this far, thank you for sticking with me to the very end. If you loved the video, smash that like button. Support the channel by leaving a comment down below. If you're new here and you're not a part of Panda Mate Squad yet, hit that subscribe button. Remember to ring that notification bell to be the first one to get notified every time I post a new video. While you're here, go watch the other videos I have on my channel, and until next time, keep it real, and I will catch you in the next one.